Good morning, class. My name is Noel Tedesco, and today we'll be talking to you about some common grammar mistakes that we have found over the past essays. I'm going to be explaining the wrong word, also abbreviated WW. This basically occurs when a student uses a word trying to express a different idea, but that's not the idea that comes across. For example, there's a lot of times that students don't know the difference between your and your. Sure, they're pronounced the same and most people use it without the difference in a conversation. But when you write it down, there's a huge difference. There's a big difference between your final grade, which will be a possessive pronoun, to you're a student, which is actually describing what you are. There's also a big number of occurrences where students confuse the words seating and sitting. Seating can be considered the seating arrangement in an event, while sitting is actually you're describing somebody who's sitting down. It's actually an action. And the last one, but not least, there's a difference between sight and sight. Sure, they're pronounced the same, but sight has to do with vision, while sight can be, for example, a construction site, an event or a place where something is actually taking place. And well, that concludes the wrong word and how it should be evaded.
Hello, my name is Camila Gauneo, and I'm here to talk about one of the most common mistakes we found in our essay, which is the misuse of the prepositions at, on, and in. In the first case, for example, we use at when we're going to refer to specific points, like in this case. Then we use on when it is about a surface, and in when we're going to refer to a specific volume or area, like in this case. And we have two examples to show how to use it. The first example says, my car is blank the house. Here we can see the car is in a specific point in relation with the house. So this will be, my car is at the house. And in the second one, it says, there is a new roof blank the house. Here we can see the roof is on top of the surface, which is the house. So this will be, there is a new roof on the house.
Good morning, my name is Dunia Navarro, and we're here to talk about common grammar errors we have in our essays. I know that after reviewing my essays I have many common errors, but one of them is the pronouns reference. And a pronoun can be, usually refers to something earlier in the text, like it's antecedent. And must agree in number, singular or plural with the thing to which it refers. Like in this example, we can see that the noun is students and the pronoun is there. So when you read the sentence must say, a student must see their counselor before the end of the semester. You cannot use a pronoun which is singular because it doesn't agree with the noun that you're talking about. On the next example, we can see that a student is singular and the pronouns his and her are in singular too. And when you read it, says a student must see his or her counselor. Also, I want to say that when I'm writing in two sentences, I use the noun, but on the second sentence I use a pronoun, and I think that when I write the second sentence is still referring to the noun I'm talking on the first one, but it's incorrect. So this is one of the common errors I made in my essays.
And this was
ENC-1101.
Woo!